Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Pretty good.
So you're Corbin Rayleigh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rayleigh, you were here just last week or the week before.
Yes, ma'am.
And you pled guilty to an offense and you were told to go to the probation department and do a pre-sentence report.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've gotten a memo from them that has some unfortunate information in here about how you acted while you were there and visiting with them.
Yes, ma'am. I was over the phone when the lady was arguing and stuff. I just wanted the information on when I was supposed to meet the dude. That was it. And
That's not how this reads.
they
They were so frustrated with you that they said they will not do a pre-sentence report while you're on bond. So do you know what that means?
my bond had to be paid off.
No, that means I'm going to revoke your bond
Okay.
and you're going to go to jail.
Yeah.
And then they're going to come to the jail and do the pre-sentence report. And you're going to be respectful to them. Or I don't have to go along with this plea agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
So listen, it's time to get a whole different attitude about all of this. I understand. I remember now when you were here, you don't like the whole situation.
No,
Hang on, don't overtalk me. Because that's going to show me what you're doing to them. Okay. Now it's just the time to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And just do what you're told. There's not an excuse for what you did. That's not, you didn't just try to ask for some information. Okay. They wouldn't have sent this. They're very, very patient.
I just want to let you know I got a whole different view about it on the whole situation now too. I just got to meet my son for the first time on Friday. So
Well, this is very unfortunate.
Yeah.
So but here's the thing, there's no reason for you to still not get this probation, but I don't have a choice now, but to get this pre-sentence report done. So I'm going to, hang on, I'm going to revoke your bond in your case at this time. You're going to go with the bailiff. Probation's going to come to the jail. They're going to do this pre-sentence report, probably not today.
do I get a new bond today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that you see where I'm.
Yeah,
the
can
problem-
can we just like revoke the deal and take it to trial? I can't afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why?
Yeah, it's
Because,
not
do you want me to read the memo?
fine. The whole thing, yeah, can we play the voice recordings of the phone call in here today too, if that's the case? Because if you're just gonna believe what she says, then I believe I have the right to fight on behalf of what I have to say, and we need to be able to play those phone recordings.
You're gonna go do that, you're gonna go do that
Of
pre-sentence
course, we're not gonna play
report
phone recordings today.
and you're gonna go and hopefully be respectful and hopefully get this probation and not ruin your life over this. This is very-
As long as you think I'll be in
It's
there.
a very temporary situation. Mr. Rojas can come back and talk to you. I'm revoking your bond at this time. I find it's in the best interest until sentencing that there not be a bond. You can go back with the bailiff. And Ms. Williams, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 1106. You are charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon from May 17th of 2026. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? So what I'm going to do, Ms. Williams, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone.
I need a court appointment.
Well, so once you've made a bond in your case, I expect you to at least try to hire an attorney. And then, are you working?
No,
Why not?
I'm disabled.
Do you get disability?
Yes, ma'am.
How much do you get a month?
1,000, but if my rent is 1,000 something.
Now, what is your actual check?
I get 2 checks. I get my husband, because he died. I get his, I get mine too.
Okay.
So
What's the total?
I think like 1,200.
How do you not know what the total is that you get every month?
Because his is eight something and mine is 670.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Ms. Williams. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true, correct? About your income and your expenses, and then I'll take a look at it to see if you qualify.
Yes.
Step in front of the clerk. She wants to go in. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Deborah Elliott?
Yes, ma'am.
And Miss Elliott, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 0618. You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of financial abuse of an elderly individual from October 21st of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, if you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No.
All right. So what I'm going to do, Miss Elliott, is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. Well, same thing I just said. If you bond out, then I expect you to try to hire your own lawyer. Are you working?
Yeah.
Why not?
I just got part failure.
Do you receive disability?
No.
Then how do you pay your bills?
My son paid.
Okay. Is that how you got out of jail?
My sister.
Check something.
Well,
And just give me a second to look at something. So what I'm going to do is have you fill out some paperwork, Miss Elliott, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately, completely, because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. You need to step in front of the clerk on the end and she'll give you that paperwork. Good morning. Are you Christopher Lee Henry?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Henry, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 1070. You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from April 3rd of 2026. Since you've made bond in your case, if you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer.
Oh.
Right. So what I'm going to do, Mr. Henry, since you've made bond, is I'm going to reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you talked to so I know you're trying and we'll discuss your options.
All right.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you'll go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Ma'am, are you Wakeisha Petrie?
yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Petrie, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 1032. You're charged with a state jail felony offense of credit or debit card abuse.
What we're seeing here is a powerful reminder that courtroom behavior can directly impact your future. The defendant may have believed he was simply asking questions, but the judge saw a pattern of disrespect, serious enough to revoke his bond. Once that trust is broken, the court is far less likely to give second chances. The judge also made something very clear. Attitude matters just as much as actions. Interrupting, arguing, or failing to follow instructions can quickly escalate a situation, even if the original offense wasn't severe. In the end, this wasn't just about a phone call, it was about accountability. And in a courtroom, that can be the difference between freedom and going back to jail.